Hello everyone, it's Extra Math. Our chapter today is the square roots. First, let's have a look at the objectives of this chapter. Recognize the square root of a positive number, find the positive and the negative square roots of a positive number, and performing operations and calculations concerning square roots. Definition. The square root of a positive number a is a number whose square is a. So every positive real number a has two square roots denoted by radical a and minus radical a, where this is the notation of the square root. Properties. Let a be a positive number, then radical a all square equals to a and radical of a square equals to a. Here, if the square is outside or inside the square and the radical will cancel each other. Let a and b be two positive numbers. Then radical a times radical b equals to radical of a times b. Here we can put a and b under one radical sign. Examples. Radical 5 all square equal to 5. Here square and radical cancels each other. Also, radical 11 square equal 11 square and radical cancel each other. Radical 2 times radical 5, we can put 2 times 5 under one radical sign, so it will be radical 10. Let a and b be two positive numbers such that b does not equal to 0. Then radical a over radical b equals to radical a over b. So we can put a over b under one radical sign. Example. Radical 15 over radical 5 equals to radical 15 over 5, but 15 over 5 is a 3. So the answer is radical 3. Let alpha be a positive number. Let b and c be any two numbers. Then b radical a plus c radical a. Here we can take radical a as common factor. So we get b plus c all over radical a. Similarly for the negative, b radical a minus c radical a equals to b minus c all radical a. Examples. 2 radical 3 plus 4 radical 3. Here we have radical 3 as common. So we can add up the two numbers. So we have 2 plus 4, 6. So the answer will be 6 radical 3. Similarly here, 4 radical 7 minus 9 radical 7 equal to 4 minus 9 all times radical 7. The answer is minus 5 radical 7. Let a and b be two positive numbers. Then radical b square times a equal to, here because we have a square, we can put b outside the radical. The answer will be b times radical a equals to b radical a. Example, radical 12 equals to 4 times 3. Radical sign and 4 times 3 equal to 4 is 2 power 2. Here we can put 2 outside because power 2 and radical will cancel each other. So the answer is 2 times radical 3, which is 2 radical 3. Pay attention. In general, radical a plus radical b is not equal to radical a plus radical b. And radical a minus b not equal to radical a minus radical b. Only this valid for the multiplication.